Bonjour, Dinaway Manidoo. Greetings, my relatives. Kitchitwa Bandang Indigu. My name is James Holy. Makwa and Dudam. I'm from the Bear Clan. Mikinakwa Jiu. Anishinaabe Shkuniganingin. Dunchi. I'm from the Turtle Mountain Chippewa Reservation. Nungum Niwi Windamagain. Ipichi Miigwachi Windaman. Yo sa Manidoo Ogitigaan Ishnikade Kayamagake Masagocha. We do kawawa nyo Nishinaabe we Anantawi Intwa Onchi Sheo Dapenamawat Nishinaabe Shitwa Win and Way. I just want to talk about how grateful I am for Manidoo Ogitigaan, the Spirit's Garden, Creator's Garden, and all they do for helping Indigenous people heal through the language and the culture, the Indigenous culture, language. Nashke, you see, me and my Manidoo Ogitigaan Ingil Chi Aya Ag Taishi Gekinu Amage Wak. Through the Creator's Garden, the elders, they can teach. Me ima wasamo wasabing Manidoo Ogitigaan Ishnikadeg on the website Creator's Garden. Me ima sago chi ayag da bisin da wintwa da kanawapa mintwa gayesago. The elders there can be heard and seen. Ejigiknuma Gaywat and Ishitwawin and Waywin Gay as they teach language and culture. Kichiapitendagwataway, and that is so important. Nashke. Misiwe Sago Geishi Widu Kawawat Anishinaabe Gekendama Segug Chi Aya. They can help they can help indigenous who don't know elders. And Gawin Etago Anishinaabe Kekendasa Winishi Ayamawat. They don't all only get culture and language from this way. That's how we're being healed. Amamu eteyang masago. Chi aya migo gaesago. Ushkipamatizik. We get healed by connecting the elders to the younger people. Pichiapitain dagwat. Minwain dagwat gae. That is so important and feels so good. Miziwe sago ingil. Gakike namasiko. And chi aya. Chigekinu amagut. And so that's so important to those who everywhere who don't know an elder to help them. Misago apichi minwe dagwat dewe sago Manidoo Ogitigaan. And so that's why the Manidoo Creator's Garden is so important. Ashke ge nin See, like me, Nipoaka ishi we do kaguyan. Manidoo Ogitigaan. I was Samoa Sabing. I've been helped a lot of times on the website Creator's Garden. Bisintuak wachi aya ag nishnape moat gaye kiknumake wat nishnape wichiging by listening to the elders speak Ojibwe and teaching Anishinaabe ways of life. Mi iyo gani shi minoindiang minoa a king. That's how we can again get a harmonious life with the universe. Yeah, misago and G Anishinaabe Wichigang through the doings of the indigenous me shi minoindiang king. That's how we have a good harmonious relation with the universe. Pichi sako nanantawi makat. It's very healing in that way. Nashke gae sago way sago, and also this mamui doing this gathering in Daso Bimisek every week in Gilwa ni Gikain Dasa Anishinaabe Mut. Me and my mama down. Those who want to learn to speak Ojibwe, we get together there. Bachituyang Iwe Zoom Ishnakadeg, using what they call the Zoom. Me mindage sago nino and giknu amage ang Anishinaabe moen. Especially for us who are teaching indigenous language. Gawing gwechaya magasunun keko ke abadakima ke kinumage apiwinning. There's not a lot of sources that can be used for the classroom. Mish imasago eshe chikewat and gyotashi kan gige wesago Anishinaabe Mowin Mamu Etiwing. And that's what they are doing, those who are participating in the Ojibwe language meeting in Daso Bimiseg every week. We do Kodatiwak, Egaesago, they're helping each other. And also Chi Aya Ag, Ga Umbigi, Wat, Anishinaabe Mung, the elders that were raised speaking the language. Mi Ingyo Sago, and Tashigiknumage Wag, and Tashigiknumage Wat, those are the ones who are teaching there. Apitain Dagwat Eosago, Goyak Anishinaabe Moyang, and it's so important for us to speak Ojibwe correctly. Anishnino and Ga Umbeki Ekuyang Shaganashi Moyang. Because for us speaking English, being raised speaking English, me ema akoeche aneknutamang. First we have to translate it. Misago ilwenchi apitain darkwak. And that's why it's so important ungo ga umbigi in ga umbigi wat Anishinaabe mum. And that's why it's so important for the ones who were raised talking Ojibwe to wat to teach. Misago eshe nisito tamawat Anishinaabe kea, because they understand it in an indigenous way. Iwe sago eshe tuawin gaye and wewen, the language and the culture. And me uwe wa ani keken dasu Anishinaabe. And that's what we want to learn as indigenous people. Gurak sago eshe nam eshe nang isago ki Anishinaabe. How the indigenous see the world authentically, correctly, in an indigenous way. Mi uwe wa keken dasyang. That's what we want to learn. Mi uwe sago meno pamatisi when that's that good life meno in the wente when a gaye a king and also a good harmonious existence with the world. Dani she meno semaka kna wajimani gani kea. That'll make everything go smoother there in the future. Misago piche wenji migwachi wendamang. So that's why I'm so grateful. Esichigewa, Tosichigewa, Tigaye, what they're doing and what they're creating. Gakana and Gil, Chiaya Ag, Dukagewat, all the elders that are helping there. Magewat and teaching. Apichu Nishishin, it is so beautiful. And Nipo Gego Winishishingenge be Unjisemaga. And a lot of good things are going to come from that. Nigani ke anawajdaani minonagwak. So the future looking better. Gakina awe for everyone. Yeah, misago miigwach is in the make. Miwa, way tuyan.